You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this legendary Camaro. We'll be looking at how to say more names of Ferrari that too many people mispronounce. So how do you say it in Italian? Ferrari Dino. Dino, stress on the first syllable, not dino. Ferrari Dino. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.